This is the Explora travel gear team here in Lake Windermere. Today we're talking to Lesley Saville, passionate outdoors person, sailor, skier, hiker.
I'm a huge outdoor enthusiast, and whenever I go on any kind of adventure, there's certain essential bits of kit that I always take with me. One of the most important bits of kit I always take is a great multitool. This has got huge amounts of features on it, and most importantly, all of them lock in place, which is a great safety feature. What you don't want when you're up a mountain or you're on a boat or you're out on the mountains skiing is something that doesn't lock and therefore could injure you. One of the great things about the Explora Multitool is it comes in a fantastic durable pouch. You can easily pop it in your backpack or clip it on your belt. Very easy to carry, keep with you at all times.